Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss
Gittanjali,
Author of
Ram Pyari.
Right. So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's awesome. It's
Right.
fantastic. It's very well organized and it's
Right.
it's beautiful. Yeah.
Right. A little bit more about yourself, ma'am. Like, are you a writer by profession?
Yes. Well, I'm a numerologist and
Okay.
I've been practicing since many years.
Right.
My first book was And God Spoke in Numbers.
Okay.
It was a sellout. It was released in 2 editions.
Right.
It's one of the best-selling books of numerology.
Wow.
But I like to write on different topics, and this one is a very different one. This is not
Right.
to do with numerology.
Okay.
It's a very different subject. It's very humane, and it's to do with the third gender.
Right.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I did a lot of research. Met a lot of them, and I saw their lives, and I mean,
Right.
it was so pathetic
Right.
that I just wove a story out of it, and there
Right.
comes a story. It's the journey of the protagonist called Ram.
Right.
It's from Ram to Ram Pyari,
Okay.
So my book is basically a story. It's a narration of the journey of all of them, basically.
Right. But what are the kind of reactions you get from the people around you when you delve into such a subject matter?
I'm still waiting for a lot of reactions. Those who
Right.
read it have simply loved it, and they said
Right.
that it's one of its kind. It's not in the
Right.
general genre of books.
Right.
It's not one of the books which is commonly found because
Right.
it deals with a very
That's what
different
makes
subject.
it stand out in its
Yeah. It's not one of the books on one of the many books on the subject.
Right, exactly. It's also education in a way, you would say.
It's
Like,
it's
it would
awakening.
change
It's
people's
awakening. My aim was to humanize them. They're
Exactly.
humans too.
mind. Exactly, right.
So it's a kind of a journey. When you read this book,
Right,
you will feel for them,
Right.
and you will finally say, "Okay, my God, why have we been so unfair with them?"
Exactly.
Because they have existed since the beginning of time.
right.
Since man and woman, there were the eunuchs.
Exactly.
They're not criminals.
They're not, yeah, exactly.
They're forced to do things because they have no choices.
Exactly. So, thank you so much for sharing this experience with us. It was wonderful talking to you.
Nice
I hope
talking
you
to
have a
you.
great book fair.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.